Hi, it's Dr. Criado, and this one is about data analysis. Now, I know in the process of doing the research and there's so many details, we go right ahead and decide what our instruments are and create them. And sometimes we don't give too much thought to how we're going to analyze the data. So I highly recommend that depending on the instruments, the method that you're using, and the instruments that you're using, that you look into any procedures that, and you look closely into the procedures that are in place for the data analysis. So, for example, focus groups interviews. I don't think anyone is doing focus group interviews, but there is a protocol for these focus group interviews. You just don't bring a group together and have the interview. So this could be a learning curve if you've never done it, if you're doing it for the first time. And there are books and many resources on this. So when doing focus group interviews, it's important that you know the foundation, where is it coming from, and what are the basics, like what are the protocols, the procedures, and apply them to your setting, to the age group of the participants, and make it easier on you, so that when you collect the data, first of all, you have to explain it, right? As part of your project, you have to say this is how the data was analyzed. In this case, will be analyzed, and then you change it. So you do need it, and two, because it'll make your life easier and you'll feel better that you did it right. Same thing with when it comes to coding the information. Sometimes, like, we work quick and we create these instruments and we have like all these data sets, and everything is great, and then we realize, wait a minute, I was supposed to code. How am I going to organize this data? I was supposed to code it, and there's more than one way of doing it. I like the good old fashioned way with color markers or colors, or post-its. There are other ways using electronic programs or online programs. So it depends. It depends on what your experience is, what you want to do, but make sure that you look into your data analysis, what's required, what's the process, so that you can describe it nicely in your project and you make your life easier. Okay? Bye.